So hi, we're here at the Whipple Museum, and my favourite object, beautiful object, which is not aesthetically, you wouldn't say it's traditionally beautiful, but I think the story behind it's beautiful. So these are models of horses' teeth in a case, and they're by Dr. Azu. So Dr. Azu used to make models from plaster. But how this works is this case, if you were going to buy a horse, you'd use this case and take it with you. The horse you were going to look at, you'd be able to compare its teeth to the models in the briefcase. So each model shows a different age of a horse, or any illnesses, or any kind of, if a horse wind sucks, or any bad problems, it shows up in the teeth. So you'd be able to grab a model out and check the state of the teeth of the horse you're going to buy. And I think it's just gorgeous against that really green hue. It's just super fun.
It's just amazing.
So, I have a few answers for this. I think one thing I find beautiful is when we use science as a tool. Shall I carry on? I think one thing that I find beautiful is when we use science as a tool to like fix problems. So whether that's like finding a cure for a disease, or using science and scientific research to inform policy or something, that's something I find beautiful. So that's one answer. But in terms of like experimental design or like the scientific approach, I really like seeing like symmetry in experiments, which like to me means like if you're doing a study and you have a control group and an experimental group, and it's like completely matched in terms of like sample size and like the demographics, and they're matched on different characteristics, and it's like really symmetrical and like clean. That's something I find beautiful. So I don't know if that answers your question.
I think science is beautiful because it decodes the mysteries of the universe.
The area that I find beauty in science is the experimental design. I think a very well thought out experimental design that is very clearly justified is extremely beautiful and very eloquent.